No, I don't want.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ.
Bro. Hi, hello. This is Arsong Hang here, and now I'm going top 100 city, Northeast top 100 city, Guwahati, and cause I want to buy music instrument keyboard, and now I'm wearing a beautiful t-shirt. You can see it, an American traditional, very nice. But this is second-hand t-shirt, and let's go. I got my seat, and now let's fly to Northeast top 100 city, Guwahati. So let's go.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ.
क्या बोला तूने?
I'm sitting on my seat, last seat, but what I do, nothing to do any else. So you can see it. Let's go. Hi, hello. This Khanapara area, and we want to go now. Nemkir Hospital of Christian Basti. So let's go. No, I don't want, bro.
मेरे पास कोई अल्फाज नहीं है, मुझे माफ कर दे आप लोग सारे, मुझे छुट्टी दे दे.
Hi, hello. I'm stay here with my best friend, even class 6, 7, 8, ... etc.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ.
Just look at now and let's go. Second floor. We want to go second floor. Expo Music shop, and this called Central Mall. Yes, Central Mall. We want to go. Here we go. Now I'm searching for my music instrument shop. So where? I don't know, but we searching. So let's see. This is my music instrument shop, Expo Music. So beautiful, so alien, just looking like a wow. This type of guitar or.
ये क्या है?
Let's see. Central Mall, Guwahati, Christian Basti, and I want to show you, my favorite music, electronic. Yes, this is my favorite keyboard. And finally, yes, hello. And I want to show you bass guitarists, electric guitarists, and yeah, this one very nice. It is amazing music instrument, guitarists, electric guitars and hollow. Finally, we bought this keyboard Casio. So where? Okay. down. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you and love you.